nickels I want to go through that I have left over from the last hunt. So we'll see what we find. Oh, gotcha. So yeah, you're up late. Yeah, we're just coin roll hunting, looking for anything pre-1960. Wartime silver nickels, buffalo nickels. We've found them all in the past. Found proofs before too, so hopefully we'll find something in these last 20 rolls that I have. Oh yeah, patrol. You are security. What do you do? For you guys just entering, we were looking for pre-1960 coins, silver nickels, which were from 1942 to 45, buffalo nickels, anything older. So, oh, gotcha. Well, I appreciate you dropping by. Thank you for your service. What branch of military? Oh, gotcha. MOS? Or does the... I'm not sure how the National Guard works, but what's your job title over there? No idea what that is, but if you want to go in depth, that's up to you. Network, okay. Got it. Yeah, I was never in the military. My father was in Vietnam in military intel. Oh yeah, signal. Okay, got it. Kind of sounds like what my dad used to do. Oh, got it. How long have you been in? Oh wow, you've been in there quite a while. Rank? Hold on, guys. We just hit silver. We got 1945 out of Philadelphia. Our first silver of the night within the first 6 minutes. So, heck yeah. Uh,